Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your transaction history in the Airbnb app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Airbnb app. And here it opens up in the explore page where we have some offers and some deals. From here we have to tap on profile. And in profile we have to go into payments and payouts. Then at the bottom we find transaction history. We tap on this, and here we can see our earnings and the upcoming things, like someone booked one of our rooms, and then it will show up here. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.